Hey guys, it's Justin here with an install video. Today we're going to be installing the AMOffRoad foot pedals. The weather's getting real nice and sunny, and it's going to be getting really warm. You're going to be taking those doors off and putting these pedals on. All you're going to need, you're just going to need a ratchet with an 18mm socket or a 3/4 inch socket. It's going to be the only tool you're going to need except for this bad boy. This one you're also going to need a Allen head to help tighten that bolt all the way down so it doesn't go anywhere on you. But that is one of the cool features with these foot pedals, is they do have this bolt that goes underneath the bottom that keeps them from bouncing around and swinging around on you, and the appropriate foot pedal that goes on the right side. Today we're going to be installing it on a 2019 Wrangler JL. The only thing that's going to be different from this model versus any other models is just going to be your plugs, on how everything unplugs from the Jeep itself to get your door off. So it's fairly simple. This is your strap that keeps your door from swinging way out there on you. And all you're going to do, this is just a plastic covering in there with some clips. It literally just pops right out. It'll hang down right there. And to make life a little bit easier on you, there's this hook. You're just going to prop that little puppy up over top of it to get it off there, give you a little bit more room to play around with. There's this red plug that locks this white clip in place. So after you get that pushed up, this just swings up like so. And this just unplugs right like that. And there you're free to take your door off. And like I said, this is for a 2019 Wrangler. So those plugs aren't going to be the same for like a 18 JKU or any older model. Let these back up there. And all you're going to do, you're just going to take your door off. Literally all you do, you just grab it like so, pick straight up on it, and it comes right out real easily. And then we take our foot pedal. It's a Jeep, it's supposed to have scratches, right? Get that puppy on up there. Get her nice and snug. You don't want it too tight because then it'll just be a pain for you to get. The rat puppy's not going to swing or move on you. It's going to stay right there. And it's not going to go anywhere. And it looks good. Here are the other options I showed you in the very beginning on what they would look like on your Jeep. On here looking absolutely amazing and for a really good price. So be sure to check out AMOffRoad.